Hey guys, how are you? I hope you are fine and doing well. With good health and very happiness. And you have a lot of fun in your life. Friend, this is me Asya and welcome to my YouTube channel Fashion Girly Hacks. Today I'll show you in this video so stylish and trendy attractive ideas of highlights in short hair. With beautiful haircut, very attractive and stylish hairstyling. Many much more beautiful ideas of short hair highlights for girls and women. You've seen this video, I hope you like it. First of all, I'll talk about highlights. Ideas, full hair highlights, cap highlights, the name of cap highlights, sticks. The so beautiful ideas of full hair highlights, foil highlights. Some ideas on the flick highlights, flick and bang. Some collection of highlights, front ear to ear highlights. The so beautiful shade of blonde, lightly blonde, dark blonde, ash blonde with dark base color, base color also in blonde color, and so attractive ideas of haircut, pixie haircut, bob haircut, haircut, wedge haircut, and different type of cut. Some ideas layered, deep layered, some ideas step, undercut, P haircut, notching haircut, and some ideas with bang, chin length bang, nose length bang, and so beautiful ideas of hairstyling. Hairstyle, wavy curly hairstyling. Some ideas wave and curl naturally, and some ideas make curl with curler. Mostly ideas of highlights, hairstyles, fine hair hairstyle, fine and straight. There's some collection spiky hairstyle. Some ideas, messy hairstyle. So beautiful overall collection of highlights in short hair for girls and women you see in this video. I hope you like it. Like it, so try this, and if you try it, and in my personal opinion, I think your personality will be completely changed. You look gorgeous, you look adorable, and you look very pretty. I hope you must try it. On my channel, I request you please do subscribe my channel, like my videos, share my videos with your friends, your family members and others, and please fully support me. Support my channel. My channel can't grow without your support, your help, so I hope you do this. And share it your all over social media accounts. So friend, thank you so much. You are watching my video on my channel. See you soon in next video. Take care of yourself and take care of your loved and those around you. I hope you do it. Thanks again. Bye bye.